ship was knocked off course. But it wasn't you, Ice Lords. It was a coal ship. That's way beyond you. It's too hot in there. How'd you get that ship? It is not our ship. What? That ship is the property of our arch enemies. We need you to stop them. Whatever's there. Sarah Jane's dealing with it. And well, my troops is down there. There's something inside. That thing. I'm not afraid of you. Why shouldn't you be? I've met loads of creatures like him. You will not fight against me. You are useless. That may be. But I met loads of other creatures. I even met a group of creatures like the Solarians. What are these things, Doctor? They're ice warriors. The native species of the planet Mars. What? Yep, Mars has life. They lived on Mars for so long that they started to make their planet uninhabitable. Since then, they've been looking for more planets. Exactly, Doctor. The planet started rusting away. So much they started losing all the snow and they evacuated it. The temperature's still safe, but we need the snow. See, here's the thing, we closed the fridge. You cut off our life support. Life support? Of course! Ice boys need coal to survive. So leaving a human body part refrigerator door open, that wouldn't be enough coal to freeze the whole building. And you followed that plan, Doctor. Yeah, well... You'll find someone, are you? You find something, don't you? Yes, we are. Well, what is it? This base is under Sea Devil control. Oh, God, no. What is it? What are they? Sea Devils. The twin cousins to the Silurians. And the first inhabitants of this planet. We've been fighting them for many years. And they're the reason why Mars is uninhabitable. What do you mean, Doctor? They have heat rays. Since the planet is a quartz of metal, they heat it up and start to rust the metal. That is why we are at war with them. You ice warriors are completely useless when it comes to surviving. We've been holding this war for too long. Don't come up with a negotiation. This time, someone falls. Is that what you two are fighting over? Your planet being made uninhabitable. Yes, that's pretty much the most of it. I know you have the agents inside. Don't give us the slime. Slime? Slime? What slime? Oh, don't give that, Professor. You know the slime we found outside North Africa when you're the one that told us not to look at it and mention anything about it, and we just mentioned about it. Well, since your mate has completely blurred it out, what's this slime? It's found outside North Africa. We're trying to find out where it is. This could be useful to us. You have agents inside, and we can prove it. Saigon technology. You've been hiding ice wars inside this base. They're not the only one. You are pretty much outnumbered. So this is the slime. We just opened the safe. So, Let me have a look at it. If you found something, you screwed up. There's nothing in here. What? Oh god. Those damn ice wires, I stole it! No, ice wires and sea devils are not good with opening safes. Besides, this safe is intact. Those liars, they stole it! Was that slime yellow? Yes, that's bee crow slime. What? Bee crow slime is a powerful element. They're near any machinery and they can chew away through it. Chew away through its circuits. This was electric safe, wasn't it? So that explains the why it was opened. By the way, yes. If you've got a circuit-eating slime, those on this base, it can grow. Once it eats like a whole building full of circuits, it can grow to the size of a car. We gotta find it and contain it before it grows to the size of a car. You're right. It can only be saved unless it's properly contained. We need to find it fast before the sea devils and ice wars start attacking it. They can chew through the mechanism of their guns. Come on, let's go. No sign of sea devils. Life form detected. Where are we going, Doctor? To the TARDIS. Hang on. It's gone. What? I fixed the communion circuit somehow, turned it over into a clock, and now it's gone. Oh my god, Doctor, what is it? Dalek!